Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Progressive to upload claim photos correctly, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Progressive app from your device's app store. Open the app once it has been successfully installed. Log in to your Progressive account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section of the app. Select the option to file a new claim or access an existing claim. Follow the prompts to enter necessary information about your claim. When prompted, choose the option to upload photos for documentation. Ensure you have the photos you want to upload saved on your device. Tap the Upload Photos button in the app. Select the photos you wish to upload from your gallery. Make sure the images clearly show the damage or relevant information. Review the selected photos for clarity and accuracy. Once satisfied, confirm the upload. Wait for the app to process your uploaded photos. You should receive a confirmation notification once the upload is complete. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. For further assistance, refer to the Help section in the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.